Jayalana. Jayalana, a renowned poet, scholar, and prominent figure of the Pakistan movement, was born on 22nd June 1906 in Karachi. His full name was Ghulam Ali Alana. After matriculating from St. Patrick's High School, Karachi for further education, he studied at DJ Sindh College, Karachi and Fergusson College, Pune, India. He began to actively participate in the Pakistan movement during his student days. He was an elected member of the Karachi Municipal Corporation for 20 years, was appointed mayor of Karachi Corporation in 1968, after which he was also the president of the Islamic Chamber of Commerce for 6 years. He represented Pakistan in about 120 international conferences and was also the chairman of Pakistan in the United Nations Human Rights Commission for some time. The Aga Khan served as the president of the Federal Council for Pakistan for many years. His wife, Mrs. Janoma Alana, was a member of the Sindh Assembly and a parliamentary secretary. Jayalana's poetry has been translated into Urdu, Bengali, Gujarati, and English. His travelogue This Buddies, written in Urdu, has also been published. His other works include Quaid-e-Azam Story of a Nation, English, Our Freedom Fighters, Pakistani Poetry, Eastern Tales of Love, Four Classical Poets of Sindh, and Memories of Prince Ali Khan. He died on 5th March 1984 at the age of 78.